Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammer Doc. Just made a video about this AO39 and the 10K resistor. The original resistor here, the original resistor that I've already removed from here, that connects to this point, had no solder on it here on this post. And of course, if there's no solder there, there's no solder here either on this for this capacitor. Look at there. So and this is the way it came from the factory. As you can see, this is well soldered. The solder here, solder here. They soldered here,